What will happen if you are planking every day for 1 minute? Planking exercise will lower your stress level and you will lead a life of positivity and balance. Planking has proved to be the most amazing exercise that is making quite a buzz in the fitness world. It allows you to get in shape through your body weight. The best part of the plank is it needs no equipment and can be done anywhere. All you need is to give yourself 1 minute a day and you will see endless benefits. Keep on watching to know what happens to you when you do planking every day for 1 minute. Number 10. Weight loss. Plank is a guarantee to feel a whole different kind of burn. You will gradually master the plank and reach your goal to lose body weight and gain muscle mass. You will no longer need to look at your clock as it counts down to 0. Your dropped hips, craned neck, and round shoulder will diminish every day deliberately from your body. You will feel spiced up to give yourself a new challenge every day. It may be 10 seconds added in your 1 minute planks. Number 9. Benefits you mentally. Plank exercise has a great impact on our nerves and mood. Our muscle groups influence the strain, tension, and trauma. If you are in the same sitting position all day, your muscles are repudiated, legs are numb, and shoulders get dangerously stiff. Plank not only soothes your brain but also relieves anxiety and depression. It stretches and relaxes muscles and helps you get rid of depression. It only happens when you make plank a part of your daily life. Number 8. Perfects your body posture. Working only 1 minute will make your abdominal muscles strong enough to provide stability. This exercise will target and activate all portions of the core musculature. You will improve efficiency in sports activities through different plank variations. It will strengthen the abdominal, back, neck, shoulder, and chest muscles, and you will be able to start keeping your back straight. Plank exercise doesn't require extra movements that cause stress or injury. Number 7. Makes abs. Plank is an ideal exercise for abdominal muscles because it occupies the whole group of cores, which includes transverse abdominal muscle, straight abdominal muscle, abdominal external oblique muscle. Strengthening every muscle gives strength to your whole body. It increases the ability to lift heavier weights. When you are able to increase your athletic performance, you will observe flexibility in your body and strong support back. This 1 minute exercise results in strong abs, strong core, better coordination, and you get a more shaped beach body. Number 6. Body flexibility. Plank will cover and range all back muscle groups such as shoulders, shoulder blades, collarbone, leg loops, and toes. The plank position will stretch the posterior muscles of your back. This stretch will provide greater flexibility. It won't just strengthen your body, but will also make your body more flexible. A side plank will impact your abdominal oblique muscles and advance more benefits. Your muscles tend to contract and tighten if we skip exercise. So, the regular the better. Number 5. Strengthens core. The plank works wonders on our core as it is made up of several muscle groups and covers the abdominals, back, hips, pelvis, and buttocks. Many people around us have bad body posture and have neck and shoulder pain. A plank workout helps to stabilize your weak body. For beginners, plank plays a significant role in building muscle mass and lose body weight. Some people are vulnerable and damage their tissues or bones while carrying heavy weights or doing exercises. Performing planks regularly reduces strain on the spine and provides strong support, especially the upper part. Number 4. Speeds up the metabolism. Planks work faster than other exercises for caloric burn. As we get old, our metabolism slows down drastically. Plank is a much safer exercise for old age people. Also, people who are desk-bound for 6 or more hours mostly gain weight and feel inactive. This exercise is beneficial for them to lose weight and gain muscle mass. A daily 1 minute workout is a perfect solution for people with a sedentary lifestyle. Plank before or after work will accelerate the metabolism and ensure the burning of higher energy amount even when sitting. Number 3. New energy. Planks can lift your spirits and raise your energy levels. The plank poses will help you stretch and relax your muscles in the neck, shoulders, and back that often become stiff and tense from long sitting. Planking just for 1 minute every day will not only give you more flexibility and body balance, but will also increase extra energy in your body. You will realize the strength lingering in your body. Your willpower will inspire you to do more, and your plank hold will get considerably easier. The increased energy in your body will help you perform your routine tasks with little effort. It will inspire you to move around with plank variations. Number 2, better joint health. This exercise is vital for supple joints. It will make your bones more solid and stimulate stress on the bones attached to the muscles to rebuild themselves. Planks will also prevent or reverse postural deficiencies, including posterior pelvic tilt, which results from acute weakness in the hip flexors respectively. Number 1, hale and hearty. Your 1-minute plank will skyrocket your confidence. You will feel sturdier and become more aware of your core. You will discover the mental benefits you get from planks, which will be no mood swings, more relaxation, staying happy, focusing on your body posture. You will be able to challenge yourself to compete and overcome all the obstacles of your life. This lifestyle will be much hale and hearty.
Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon for the latest videos. Comment down below for your suggestions.